Hello, welcome. It's Diane. Happy Saturday. Thought I'd throw a little makeup on. Haven't gotten dressed yet. I still have my strawberry pajamas on, but that's okay. No judgment here, please. I thought I would do an empties video from this past week, as well as a separate video I do on my beautiful bathing garden order. Oh my gosh, that is a treat. I was just so ecstatic about that. So let's get started. I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. It's getting ready to rain here. And tomorrow, I made dinner at the lodge last night. I made Pioneer Woman's chicken pot pie. It came out really good. It's very involved because it's completely homemade. I've made modified versions before of pot pie with, you know, cream of mushroom soup or chicken soup, but this was strictly from scratch. And I also made Lawry's banana coconut cream pie. I will post a link for the recipe for both, or I'll do a separate video on it. But oh my gosh, they came out really good. I made two pies, and my friend made a lemon raspberry cheesecake. So the dessert all went, but I should have made more chicken pot pie because that sold out really fast. But it's a good thing for a charitable cause. Anyhow, let's get started. I got through a lot of wax this past week, so that's beautiful. And here we go. So I've just finished, this beautiful this morning blend I made with Carla from K Scented Melts, Blackberry Bordeaux, Beach Nights, and Dune Grass. This was so fan-frickin-tastic. Something about Blackberry Bordeaux that goes so beautifully with things, but I just thought that would be a cool blend to put together. I'm so getting this again. I'm sad that I finished it. I finished from Super Tarts this beautiful little sample I found called Apricot Lane. This was so pretty. Apricot buttercream, almond cookie dough, vanilla cream, and red currant. This was so good. I would so love to get that again. If you guys know of anybody that does a good apricot, let me know. Besides Super Tarts, but I finished some toasted caramel sugar from Scentsy. That was superb. So good. I need that again. I finished in my living room this morning, Eye of Odin from L3, which is a beautiful Palo Santo Ozone Chrome Legend type. Very, very good. I finished another apricot blend from Made to Melt. I just answered my own question. Sis from Made to Melt, very, very talented. Her wax is great. This is another beautiful apricot blend, different though than this apricot from Super Tarts, but very good. I finished Twisted Peppermint Fraser Fir Toasted Mallow yesterday from L3. That was so pretty and so strong. I finished a very old piece of Acid Dunk Tank. Does anybody remember Twisted Dame? She closed a couple years ago, but her wax is so great. This is something, I don't know. It was like a mulled cider, brown sugar, donuts, and cinnamon. Very good and still strong. That's very old. This was a swanky souffle. I don't know what the blend was. The label fell off, but it was really good. I did that. It's like a berry, slightly bakery. It had a fleur-de-lis embed in it, if anybody knows what that might have been, but it was very good from Swanky. I finished The Haunting from Britta's, and this is a beautiful like blueberry cereal. It's very strong and very different on cold. I thought maybe I wasn't going to like it, but I did fantastically. On warm, it was just tremendous. I finished a little sample from L3 Chestnuts on a Roasting Open Fire. Oops, I finished I got a bunch of these Destination Wax Scent Shot Cups in a D-stash. And I finished Zucchini Bread Wild Berry Mousse. That was so good. I finished Starburst Sky from Scentsy. I got this as a gift from Susan Fitzgerald, my buddy. I finished this other beautiful blend I did with Carla from K. Peach Nectar, Palo Santo, and Marshmallow Fireside. That was really good. I don't know that I would do Peach Nectar again, but it's beautiful. But I've been trying different blends with her, with Palo and Marshmallow Fireside, and I might do Peach Nectar again. I might add some bakery to that, but it was very good. I finished some Empire Alchemy Honeydew Melonade. That was very nice. I finished this beautiful little pack from Traverse City, Winter Wreath. That's a mouthful. Winter Wreath, which is orange peel, sparkling pear, and rosemary. That was gorgeous. What else? What else? I finished this D-stash of Destination Wax scent shot cups are from 2020. This is French Baguette. This was still very, very good. And another one I did this week, Zucchini Bread Pear. That was also quite beautiful. That doesn't have a pour date on it, but I know this is kind of old, but it did great. This I have to get my hands on more of is Sundays in the Park from Zape. Sundays in the Park with George. And this is Peony Blooms and Fresh Cut Grass. That was so pretty and very strong. I had it in my dining room warmers, and I left and came home, and it was like, whoo! So I turned 2 warmers off because it was so strong, but not because it smelled bad. It's a gorgeous peony and fresh cut grass. Gorgeous. Very strong. So that's in the reorder pile. I finished some Lavender and Speckles All Is Calm. And Sweet Lavender, Iced Vanilla Woods, and Beach Nights. This was a goodie. Very goodie. Absolutely. What else? I finished Sawdust Days. This beautiful souffle. There's a lot of schmutz on it. Sorry. But this is an oldie but goodie. Caramel apple, cotton candy, salted brown sugar, vanilla, and kettle corn. This was fantastic. I finished House Lannister from MK's Body Sweets. If you haven't tried Mary Carroll's wax, MK's Body Sweets is absolutely wonderful. House Lannister, she did a Game of Thrones sampler. Blood orange, spiced cranberry, amber, musk, and pomegranate. Excellent. Very well-performing wax. I finished Danny's Hearth, Apple Fireside, Lavender and Crackling Fire. That was great. I finished from Honey Soda Co., a favorite in Chico, California, Boo Cookies, Snickerdoodle, apple cider, and vanilla frosting. This was very, 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 very good. This is similar to apple butter frosting. I finished another beautiful blend of Salty Sea Air Toasted Mallow Beach Nights from Kay. I finished, oh, it's getting windy and it'll start raining in a minute. King Cake, my beloved King Cake. That is so scrumptious. I finished a little sample from L3 of Christmastown. The Red Sea, this was fantastic. If Carla still offers this, I hope she does. This is Lost Cherry and Black Sea. This is so good. Very unique and just delicious. Very rich and old world smelling. The Red Sea. Totally getting that again. I finished Nectarine Splash and Jasmine from Sensational. I have that in my Find It Again bucket. I finished from L3. Today is October 3rd. Palo Santo Toasted. Oh, today's October 3rd. A sample of that. And what else? What else? I finished. I think that's it. That's it for my empties. Let's see if I have any others. I finished another Destination Wax Zucchini Bread Berry. Zucchini bread made with sweet huckleberry, blueberry, plum, rich cream, and spices. Finished that. And I believe that's it for my empties. I'm working on this beautiful hummingbird tea cake candle from Bath & Body Works. This is pineapple cake, cinnamon spice, toasted pecan. If you have a chance to go grab one of these, do yourself a favor. It's very splendid and beautiful. What else do I have here? I'm finishing, I'm almost done with this candle. You know, the weather's been sunny and cloudy. I'm finishing this Christmas tree, Under the Christmas Tree from Bath & Body Works, which is beautiful. It's like a popcorn, pine, wonderful scent. So when I work, I light a candle and have it by there. And I think that's it for empties for this week. So thank you for tuning in. And I just threw some makeup on, like I said, to just get through this and enjoying my daughter's ring light and trying to get my makeup to not look strange and clownish. But I'm just happy to share with you all the home fragrance joy and what's going on in my world. So stay tuned. I'm going to finish this video and then I'm going to do a bathing garden one. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in. Thanks very much. Feel free to hit the like button and I appreciate all of you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye.